Welcome to Top Down Tiling Tips. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a story stick. Take a piece of straight scrap wood. Mark the length of the tile plus the spacer across the length of the stick. Use the same stick to mark the width of the tile. And just add in borders or mosaics where needed. And that's it.